Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Austria, so we will be going through some country-specific information, such as the social security number and e-card in Austria, the salary installments, health and safety training, and lastly, the public holidays and the paid time off. If you already have worked in Austria before, you can add your existing social security number on the Deel platform during your onboarding. If you do not yet have a social security number, you can download the application statement from the compliance documents section of the platform and upload it back signed. You will then be enrolled in the statutory health insurance program through the Austrian Health Insurance Fund. The enrollment will be completed in your first month of employment. The social security number will appear on your profile under social insurance number on the Deel platform. Once the number appears in the field, you will have to follow the registration process as described on the statement you downloaded so that you can receive the physical e-card. If you need to add dependents to this coverage, please contact the Austrian Health Insurance Fund through their website for further assistance. Your employer is not able to organize this on your behalf. According to the Austrian standard, you will receive your salary in 14 installments each year. You will receive 2 additional payments and find the additional payslips on the Deel platform in June and November. Deel prepared you a health and safety training package in line with the Austrian regulations. Within your first week of employment, you will be sent an invitation to the annual health and safety training. The email will come from Workrite. This training is mandatory and you will need to complete it within 60 days of receiving the invitation. For more information, please review our FAQ that can be found in your welcome email. You are entitled to all Austrian national holidays. You will not need to request time off for any of the holidays on the Deel platform. You are automatically entitled to those rest days. Regarding your paid time off entitlement, please always make sure to add your PTO dates on the Deel platform so that your employer can track your entitlement in line with Austrian regulations. Note that your entitlement is calculated based on employment year from your first day of employment and not based on the calendar year. Please visit the Time of Policy section in the platform for more information. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.